What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today the challenge is accept two parameters. You're gonna have a string and then you're gonna times that string the number of times. So in this case we have an I 6 times, hello 5 times. I kind of have an idea of how this is gonna be. Let's go ahead and do the try again just to see the skeleton of the, okay, so first we have the number size t. What is, wait, that's not an integer. Why does it say size t and then repeat string? I'm gonna use an integer. I don't know why it has a weird type. That looks like it's size t. That might be a class, but yeah, I'm gonna use a actually I'm gonna use standard because I might have to convert it later. This one, for some reason, they don't use standard here. So standard string, and then we're gonna have a message. So the message is gonna be just string message. This is gonna be an empty array, an empty string, and then for loop. Actually, before I start the for loop, we're gonna have here the, like I said, I'm gonna do an integer. I think I need standard on the integer as well. I don't know. We'll just go ahead and just say, we'll just go with it. And then we're gonna have another one, which is gonna be a string named str, and then in the for loop we'll go from int again. Do I need standard or no? We'll just go with standard for now. If I need to like change it, then we'll change it. So we start at 0, but then we end, as long as I is less than repeat, which is an integer, then we'll just increment, and then right on the bottom we'll start a new one. And this one, it'll be so message, just a string, right? Message plus equals str. Let's go ahead and actually one more thing. I need to return it. So return that. I have message. I have massage. Oh well, we're returning massage. Let's go ahead and just. I don't think I need a full, like declaring it. I think I can just put it here. And we'll do one of these right here. We'll say I, and then we'll have 6 in the front. And it should be good. Return. Alright, let's see. Let's run it. We're getting an error. So int. So apparently we don't need it for integer. Okay, we don't need it for integer. Let's go ahead and. Also, I don't need vector anymore. Does that change anything? Let's see. It doesn't. Okay, then let's just not do a. Wait, I am returning a string. Okay, so. And apparently I don't need it here as well. Why does it have it on here though? String. Let's just run it and then we'll see how it goes. String has not been declared. Oh, I see. Include string. Boom, bada bing. String has not been declared. Alright, we'll do standard. Let's try that. See if it works. String was not declared in this scope. Did you mean str? Wait, where? Oh, right here? Oh, I see, I see. Yes, okay. Unexpected, unqualified ID. Okay, so maybe we don't need it for... So for integers, we don't need it, it looks like. Oh, and then for cout, we do need it. See, it's kind of weird, bro. Using standard, I just use namespace for pretty much everything. Except for these cases here, because they're a little particular. And there it is, 6. Now we'll do 5 hellos. Actually, no, we won't. We'll just go ahead and copy it, and then here we'll paste it. Hopefully it runs first try. It did. Alright, nice. And there it is. Submit. Boom, bada bing. There it is. Nothing too crazy. The goal of doing these challenges was to get comfortable with C++ after, you know, studying the lessons on Codecademy. Get comfortable with using them and stuff. And I do feel a little bit more comfortable with them, so that's pretty good. It's pretty straightforward. Your goal is to create a function that removes the first and last characters of a string. You're given one parameter, the original string. I'm assuming that's it. You don't have to worry with strings with less than 2 characters. Okay, so that doesn't seem too crazy. We're gonna be returning a string, right? Yeah. This one uses namespace. Oh, thankfully. Alright. We can go back to namespace. Now that we have namespace, all we need is string. And all we need to do is remove string. So what we could do is we could set a, let's say, string new, let's say new string, and then we'll have an empty one, and then in our for loop we'll just go with int I equals, we'll start from 1, then we'll do as long as I is greater than, no, less than, less than str.length. I think it's gonna be less than 2. We'll try less than 2, and if not, it's gonna be less than 1. I++, because we still want it in order. Let's go back to C++ style. And then all we got to do now is just str, or new string, plus equals stri, add at the very end the semi. As for this over here, we'll have that because we're using namespace, and we'll have somewhat of a, let's say, tuna. So it should be un. Alright, let's see if it runs. Warning, no return statement. Oh, I see. Return new string. Alright, let's rerun it. Nothing is returning. Starting at 1. New string plus equals str. Okay, so is it even returning? Hold on. Tuna. Okay, it is returning. It's returning something. Let's return new string. Let's start at 0, and then let's do this here. It should be returning the whole thing. You know what? As long as I is less than. I don't think it runs at all. Oh, there it is. I thought it was going to be less than 2. Okay. That's weird. Alright, we'll do one, run, own. That should be it, right? Remove this here. Boom. Run it. Let's I feel a little confident today. Let's just go ahead and yeah, first try. Alright, submit it. Boom. There it is. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.